Oh, wow. Who needs Shinkini? That was good. It felt really good. Sorry it's taking so long again for me to do another video. Or rather, wave. Sorry. I haven't had really that much privacy recently, so girlfriend's out for the weekend, so I figured I'd give y'all a little something. Sorry. Oh, that felt good. Yeah. Haven't done this in a while, so this stuff is very effective. Again, I'm just inducing still the little, kind of like a plastic clothes tag kind of thing, except it's more like cardboard or paper, stiff paper. It works pretty well, I think. Oh. Try the other nostril. A little hard getting this one out. Sorry. Oh. Oh my gosh. That felt really good. yeah. I wish I had something that really worked really well, but Chinkity doesn't really work all that great on me. I have to induce pretty much everything. Oh, it's stuck. Hold on. Oh, it just won't come out. Oh, sorry, it was loud. I think that's it for now. I hope you all have enjoyed it. My apologies for taking so long again. See you next time.